Hello and welcome everybody. So today's topic is Introduction to Excel and I'm your instructor Divya Thakur. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program that was developed by Microsoft and hence this prefix MS, which stands for Microsoft. It is used to organize data into columns and rows and allows one to perform mathematical operations. The file extension for an Excel file is .xlsx that we'll see in a moment. So some applications of Excel are data management, accounting, programming, budgeting, data entry, task management, financial accounting, data analysis, visuals and graphs, financial modeling, and much more. So why is Excel useful for business analysts? Why should business analysts learn about Excel? It's because business analysts use the data collected through many sources, such as websites traffic, retail bills, and day-to-day activities to make informed decisions about their firms. This analysis increases the profitability of the business by making future predictions and recommendations easy. So a lot of these manipulations and analysis are simplified and can be performed quickly with the help of Excel. Hence, Excel remains the stepping stone tool for every business analyst. So let's dive deep into Excel. So next we'll see the Excel interface. How should we navigate through in an Excel spreadsheet? And also how to enter data and also edit the data in Excel.
So this is all. Thank you for watching.